Happy spooky season! Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing something that I am so excited about because it is October, it is Halloween, it is spooky season. Therefore, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be trying on and wearing Halloween body jewelry. So I have quite a few pieces here, all from Body Candy. I love Body Candy. I've been using them for years and years and years and years. So I went on there and I spent about $50, give or take, on a bunch of only Halloween themed body jewelry that I am going to be putting in and trying on for you guys today. So I have had this requested quite a few times on Instagram. People have been tagging me and people have been messaging me and asking me if I can do a video like this. So you guys asked and I listened. So if you guys want to see me try on some Halloween body jewelry, then let's go ahead and get started. Hi, how you doing? So I moved you guys in pretty darn close because how else are you going to see my body jewelry when I'm sitting way back there? So I moved you guys up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am just going to put my hair up in a bun. And the jewelry that I got today is a little bit of everything. We have some belly rings, we have some nose rings, we have some earrings. So we're just going to try a little bit of everything today. We're going to see how it looks. One of them I did get for my septum, and I'm not sure how that's going to turn out, but we're just going to have to wait and see and play it by ear, see if it fits or not. I did get the correct gauge, but it is a clicker, and for some reason clickers don't usually work out in my favor. So, all right, I have my hair up and out of the way. Another really cool thing that I got with my package that I'm for sure going to keep is this little card right here. And on this card, it shows you all of the sizes and gauges. I thought this was super helpful, and I'm so glad that they sent this, because if you have a piece of jewelry that you really like, but you're not sure what the ball size is, or you're not sure what the gauge is, this will really kind of help you guys. So I'm so glad they sent this, because this is definitely going to come in handy for sure. So now that I have my hair up and out of the way, I am just going to put a little bit of hand sanitizer on my hands just to get those nice and clean. I always keep hand sanitizer next to everything because I do quite a lot of piercing videos, and you want to have nice clean hands for this. So I think I really want to start with like the nose jewelry, because you guys know I almost always wear just these simple little balls in my nose piercings, and I don't really like to change them all that often, but since it's Halloween, I feel like making a little bit of a compromise. I got a total of 4 different nose rings, and I will show you what each of them looks like in. So the first 2 that I'm really excited about are just these little 20 gauge kind of corkscrew shaped ones, and they just have a little orange gem on the top, which right away made me think of pumpkins. So, and I want pumpkins in my nose. Like, who wouldn't want pumpkins in their nose? I am going to take those out of the packaging. And you guys, I can't remember the last time I have bought this much body jewelry, because I am such a creature of habit. Like, once I have a piece of jewelry in, it's staying there. It's not moving. I'm not changing it. I'm very stubborn when it comes to that. So this is very exciting for me. The next one we have is so cute. You probably can't even see it, but it is a little gold nose ring, and it's a little bat. A little bat. It is so cute. So we are also going to try that one on as well. And then the other one that I got is a black kind of corkscrew style nose ring. And this one is a little skull. Can you guys see that little skull face right there? Look how cute that is. I think for sure I want to match the 2 with the orange, and then maybe have the skull or the bat in the other one. So we're just going to try a bunch of different stuff. So first I'm just going to remove my front nose rings right here. And then I'm going to put in the cute little orange gem corkscrews. So I'm just going to slide those in. Oh, these are so cute. All right, so there is the first one in. You guys can see that okay. Also, if you're looking at my skin being like, what the fuck's happening? I'm doing a foundation first impressions at the moment, and I'm pretty sure my skin doesn't like it. So just kind of ignore the texture and cakiness. All right, there we go. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. little orange gem moment. What is up, Halloween? All right, and then in this one, I think I'm going to try each of the little decorative Halloween ones we got. So the first one I want to try is the little skull. So again, it's just a corkscrew style. So I'm just going to twist. So there is what that one looks like. I don't really know if I like this one because you can't really tell what it is unless you're like really, really up close and personal. It just kind of looks like a black blob on my face. So I don't really know how I feel about that one. That's a weird one, but I mean, it was a cute idea, but I just don't think it, I don't think it works for me at all. All right, next we're going to try the cute little bat, which I have a lot of hope for. Hopefully this one is super cute. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, look at that. Do you guys see the little bat? Oh my god, that's really cute. Yeah, I definitely like the bat one more than the skull one. I'm just trying to get the bat to fly straight. Like, I think it's a little drunk. So there are the nose rings. Oh my gosh, I love them. I think they're so cute, which it's very different for me because I've worn those little silver balls in my nose for so long. It feels so weird to have something different in there, but I think it looks cute. Look at that. How you doing? Happy Halloween. All right, so that is everything for the nose jewelry. The next ones I want to try are some belly rings, and I got 2 of them, and one of them I am so excited about, which is kind of weird that I'm excited about it, and I'll explain it when I get to it. But the very first one that I got is this belly ring right here. Can we just take a minute? It is a cute little jack-o'-lantern belly button ring with a little orange gem on top. You guys, why has it taken me so freaking long to do a video like this? This is so cute. So here is what that belly ring looks like, and I'm going to pop this in and show you guys what it looks like. So here is what the little pumpkin looks like. It is really, really cute. It is not super heavy, but yeah, oh my god, look how Halloween we are. I like that one a lot. I don't like how much it covers my actual belly button, but I mean, for Halloween, who the hell cares, right? And then the other belly ring that I got, and this is the one that I am most excited for, which is weird because one of my biggest fears is spiders. And you guys will notice I have more than one spider thing in this little body jewelry haul. But when I saw this, I was like, this is way too cute not to get. And it is a black spider belly button ring. Okay, this is so cute. If this looks good, I'm going to be keeping this in for the remainder of the month because I love this. It is so freaking cool. It's kind of scary how realistic it looks. Like, when I got it in the mail, I was like, oh my god. Like, if you just saw this, like, crawling around on your floor, you'd be like, whoa. So yeah, that is what this one looks like. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, that is so fucking cool. Yup. This one's definitely a favorite. I will for sure be keeping this one in for the remainder of the Halloween season. Look at that. It's so creepy looking. Oh my god. Yes. Oh yeah. I like this one for sure. Okay guys, and then the rest of the body jewelry that we have are earrings, aside from a septum ring that I'm going to try to put in last. But the rest are all earrings, which is what we are going to start with. So as you can see on this ear, I have this little heart right here to kind of match my daith piercing. Well, I found something very similar on Body Candy, and I really, really want to try it, and it is so cute. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like in the packaging. All of my earrings that I got are all 16 gauge. So I found this one on Body Candy. It is a 16 gauge heart, just like the one I have in now. However, it has little devil horns and a little devil tail. So this one I'm most excited for, and this one I'm definitely going to put in first. So I'm just going to pop this one out. I'm going to take this one, open it up a little bit, and then just... Oh my god. That is so cute. Look at it. So you can see like the little devil horns right here and the little tail. Oh my god, I love it. And some of the other earrings that I got them with the intention of putting them up in these two helix piercings because, you know, they've been doing pretty well for a while. I figured they would be ready to change, but alas, they are not, because as soon as after I ordered this body jewelry, a few days later, before it showed up in the mail, two lovely keloids showed up. So you guys, honestly, like, these helix piercings are taking forever to heal. I've had them for about 7 months now, and they are still just a huge pain in my ass. Every single time I get a helix piercing, it always ends up like this. I don't know why, so unfortunately we are gonna have to skip these two little guys up here, but I had some really cute jewelry. I had this cute little labrae with a little ghost on it. Look how cute he is. I love him. And then I also had this one, which is really cool, and this is a Scream from the Scream movies, obviously. I have him as a little labret bar as well. I'm so sad about it, but we have a couple more things to try, so this video isn't a total blast. This next earring I am really excited about because it kind of matches the spider belly button ring, and it is this earring right here. It is a little black spider. And I think I want to put it down here just so we kind of have like a little theme going. So I am going to pop this earring out. Then I'm going to unscrew this one and pop it in. Oh, that looks so cute. Oh my god. Dude, Body Candy freaking slays at spider jewelry. Look at that. Now I have to try to screw the ball on, which is always a good time. There we go. Oh my god, that is so cool. This one is probably a favorite for sure. Just have a little spider, you know, crawling on my ear with my little devil horns. I love Halloween, can't you tell? And the very last one that I have for you guys is a very kind of out there septum ring. I am probably not going to keep this one in because this one is very out there and I'm pretty sure my work would fire me in about 2 seconds. But it is this little septum clicker. Just looks like this. This is a 16 gauge and I don't know how well you will be able to see on camera, but it is filled with tiny little skeleton heads. So we are going to pop this in my septum, hopefully, and we're gonna see how this looks. So the clicker part does not look very long, so there's no telling if this is even going to fit. This is 10 millimeters in diameter, which is what all of my septum rings are, but for some reason, the little top clicky part doesn't really look that long. So, I mean, I'm sure I'll be able to get it in my nose, but is it going to stay? I don't know. So to get the balls off of my septum ring, because they're being a little bit stubborn at the moment, I have these gloves, and they are very big, but I think they will work fine to kind of grip the ball. It has come to drastic measures. Got it. Whew! That was a fucking process, because I remember when I put the septum ring in, I put it in with the intent that it's not going to come off. And when the time came to actually take it off, it didn't want to. So, whew, I got it. I had to run downstairs, get my little tool kit, and we can just slide this little bugger out. All right. So this is what this septum clicker looks like. It actually doesn't look that bad. Here is this little skull head septum clicker. It's actually really comfortable and it actually went in a lot easier than I thought it was going to. Yeah, I don't hate it. I thought I was really gonna hate it. I didn't think I was going to like it at all, but I kind of like it. It's different. See, my biggest thing is I thought it was going to be too long, and then every time I would like talk, I would just feel little skeleton heads hitting my lip. That's what I was afraid of, but wow, it actually looks really cool. I really like it. Okay. Round of applause. applause there, Body Candy. You did well. You did well. All right, guys, and that is everything for this very first trying on only Halloween body jewelry. What did you guys think of it? I had a lot of fun doing this. I absolutely love every single thing that I got. I am a little sad that I couldn't show you guys what those two ones would look like up here, but these aren't healed yet, and I really don't want to mess with them quite yet. I feel like these are going to take a little more than a year to heal, unfortunately, but that's just the life of a helix piercing. But everything else, I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Which piece of body jewelry that I got was your favorite? Make sure to go down and tell me in the comments. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to go down and give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Happy Halloween, happy spooky season, and happy body jewelry shopping. I love you guys.